Got my coil over here. It's pretty dirty. I'm just gonna spray it down. Get some of that Farfig nougat up off of there. Because I gotta unthread this so I can get it up out of there. Get it up out of there. Do I know what I'm doing? Nope. Nope. But that's the beauty of it. We can figure it out together. We can figure it out together. Like this should be tighter. This should be looser. No? So this bottom part of the coilover is actually supposed to be able to break loose and spin. I'm just having a difficult time actually trying to make that happen. So I'm just trying to twist the lock rings to see if that'll help, but it doesn't look like it's working out. Is it even doing anything? So confused. What happens if I just keep spinning it? Will nothing happen? Gonna smack it with some WD-40, see if that can help loosen things up so I can actually get this thing apart. Because supposedly it's only supposed to take about 10 minutes or so, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be 10 minutes. So this is the part that's actually supposed to be spinning here, even with the WD-40, trying to lock it in here and twist it, put my foot on here, and it still didn't work. Kids always remember, if you can't do it yourself, you call for help. And I called for help. Yes. Oh shit. It's like, oh, you did it. Fuck yeah. Look at you go. Absolutely love to see it. This is going on YouTube, by the way. Yeah, I figured why not just start recording all my carboy adventures. True. Because then I'll be famous one day. Yeah.
Just obnoxiously record people.
You said just obnoxiously what?
Just obnoxiously record people, whether they like it or not.
Yeah. It's like, hey, you're going to... Well, I didn't put your face in it. I can put your face in it if you want. That's Skylar. Yes. Old damper out. New one's going to go in. And then we'll throw these on my car at some point. Not today, but a point. So now that we finally got it apart, just put a little anti-seize on there. That way, in case I ever need to remove it, there won't be any more issues. And then you just kind of reassemble it the same way. You might run into a little resistance here, but that's because the pieces are brand new. But it's nothing to worry about, and it should be good to go. The lighting here is kind of trash. I don't even know if I'm gonna use it. And of course, as you guys know, basic car stuff 101, you always want to reassemble the things the same exact way you took it apart, because you want to make sure everything is in its proper position, make sure everything is built and set up correctly. You don't want anything out of place, bent or crooked, because you'll jeopardize the safety of yourself and the integrity of the vehicle, and we don't want that. We want you guys to stay as safe as possible. So you just want to make sure that you align things exactly how they were prior to you taking them apart. Stay safe out there. Is that about as much?
Yeah.
Alright, so
hit it one more time. Didn't like that. Oh yeah, okay, that's good.
yeah, that just goes on there, right? Yeah, so it goes into the hole.
Like,
I don't know what kind of stuff that is on there, that red stuff. Looks like grease. It's a special kind of grease. Maybe it's the grease that's inside of it.
might be that.
Need the wrench. Does it change the stiffness? Do you remember how stiff it was? That's the amount of play. So the other one should be measured the same, because they gotta cut that off, right?
Yeah.
Was there that much? There wasn't that much space in between there, though.
Yeah, I didn't take it all the way.
I was concerned.
Yeah, they did take it all the way.
Okay, so
It's all the way
maybe,
tight.
so maybe I'll lower the string too, then? But,
No, because it'll still.
I don't know how. Well, after much trial and tribulation, we finally got it back together, thankfully. So it's ready to go on the car. So you guys will see in the next video how I get these bad boys installed on a 350. See you next time.